AI-generated influencers like Atiana Lopez or Milla Sofia are doing huge business. If you also want to create an influencer model, this video is for you. In this video, I will introduce an AI tool that can create a virtual influencer in just one click. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing APOB AI, a specialized AI-powered platform for creating your own portrait model for image and video generation. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and you will be on this page. Now to get started, create an account on APOB AI. After logging into your account, click on the Create Portrait Model button from here. Now we have to enter some data about our model. First, the model name. For example, I am typing Emilia Rota. Next, the description. Here we have to enter a short description of our model. For example, I am typing a beautiful Spanish Instagram model, blonde wavy hair, blue eyes, hyper-detailed, ultra-realistic photography. Okay, now we have to add our model reference face. There are two options. Upload your own image, and the second one is to create a new image with AI. First, let's try to generate an image with APOB. This is the Model Image Generator interface. Here you can notice some of my previously generated images. Now to create a model face, we have to enter some data here. At the top of the page, you will find the option for creating a random image. If you click here, you will notice random values on the settings. Let's create our own model. First, the gender. Select woman from here. After that, the age. I think 25 is best for me. Next, we have to select the origin country. This time, I will select Spanish. You can add multiple countries. Next, set the eye color. Then hairstyle, hair color, and after that, the face shape. In the end, you will find some additional options like dimple, beard, and suntan. As I'm creating a female model, we don't need the beard. And I won't want any suntan on my model face. But a dimple should be here. Alright, after everything is set, hit the Generate button. After waiting some time, you will get your first model. If you don't like the model, you can regenerate the model. Once you are satisfied, click on Select this image as reference image. Our newly generated image has been added as the reference image. Now, if you already have a reference image, then click on the Upload Image option. Your reference image should be high resolution, have a clear face and background, and have a simple composition. After uploading the image, click on the Save button. Okay, our reference image, model name, and description all are set. Now to create and train our model, click on Create Image Model now from here. APOB AI will take some time to train our model. And here it is. Our model is ready. Here you will find some instructions to generate content with our model. I always suggest reading the instructions properly to get the best result. Okay, this is our model instruction. Here you can notice that our model is public. That means our model is available on the APOB timeline and any user can use our model. To make it private, click here. Next, this is the Content Generation tab. Here you will find some options to create content with your model. Let's explore them one by one. First, the complete set. Here you will find various ready-to-use prompts. If you are not an expert in the prompt, then this option is for you. For example, I want to generate images on a riverside with my model. So I'm selecting the river from here. After selecting the prompt template, select your aspect ratio from here. I'm selecting 1 by 1. After that, click on the Generate button to generate the images. And here it is. Our images are ready. You can see it generates images exactly with our model face. And the quality of the images is really great. Now you can upscale the images or create videos with these images. I will talk about it later. Now let's move forward to the next option, Build Your Own. In this option, you can create custom prompts by selecting various variables. First, the art style. As we want to create a realistic model, I am selecting Realistic from here. Next is the environment setting. Select an environment between architecture and landscape. You will find various options for the environment here. Just select your desired one. After that, the appearance settings. Here we have to set the age and clothing settings. In the end, you will find the weather setting. Select a weather as per your scene demand. You can see all of our selected data is now the prompt box. You can add additional prompts also. After everything is done, hit the Generate button. And these are our newly generated images. Honestly, the images are just awesome. I love the results. So now you can create custom images, even if you have zero knowledge of prompts. Alright, the next content generation option is Expert. This option is for prompt engineering experts. Here you have to write the full prompt. For example, I am entering a ready prompt on this box. And these are the result images. You may notice that if you can enter a good prompt, the result will be amazing. You will find various prompts on our Discord server prompt guide channel. Alright, the next option is the face swap. If you want to swap faces of any image and generate new images with your model face, then this option is for you. For example, I swap face with this image, simply upload the image and then hit the Generate button. And this is the result image. It keeps the same image but with our model's face. Okay, the last but not the least option is image to video. With this feature, you can generate videos from your image. We have to upload the image first. To get the best result, always upload an image of the same model. After uploading the image, hit the Generate button. Now wait some time. And here is it. Our video is ready. It generates a 4-second long video. So now you can create reels or shorts of your model with this amazing platform like this. I simply create 5 videos with APOB and then edit with a video editor to create this final video. So now you don't need to face swapping with other content and avoid any copyright issue. In conclusion, APOB AI is an amazing tool to create and run a virtual influencer. You can try it for free. It will give you 80 free credits per day. But if you are serious about your business, then you should buy a premium plan.
We push to the limits, no stopping us now. We're chasing our dreams. We're working up, no doubt we're breaking the mold. The best is popping, looking harder than gold. Boys on fire, we're the kings of the gym. When we flex our biceps, all the ladies go up for them.
Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the APOB AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.